Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a profile picture to your Wanderlog account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on this Add Profile Picture button at the top. Here you can select from three options. You can either use the profile picture that you have uploaded to your Facebook account, or you can take a picture with your camera, or choose one from your phone's library. Click on the relevant option. If you tap on the Take a Photo button, you need to allow the app to have access to your camera, so tap on OK. And then you should take a picture. Then click on Use Photo down below and your picture will be inserted. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.